The bill of lading is the oldest standardized document in cargo shipping. This threefold legal document holds the key to cargo ownership, which makes it the most valuable piece of paper in global logistics. Slow and expensive, prone to human error, loss and counterfeiting, the workflow of this important document remained basically unchanged to this day. CargoX is a new force on the logistics market with a mission to forever change the bill of lading. Latest developments in blockchain technology have enabled us to create a bulletproof smart bill of lading workflow. Instead of printing the BL and the hassle and expenses involved with couriers, with CargoX, creating and sending a smart BL is just a few clicks away and available at a mere 10% of the price. If the BL is lost or stolen, it takes weeks to issue a new one. In the meantime, the cargo is already at the destination port and the importer is paying hundreds of dollars per day in demurrage costs. With CargoX SmartBL, this can never happen. Let us show you how easy it is to create and send a SmartBL using an everyday example. As soon as the cargo is loaded, the logistics company creates a new SmartBL in our web-based application and sends it to the exporter. This and all of the following steps utilize the latest encryption protocols to transfer the digital BL in a matter of minutes and at a fraction of the cost associated with paper-based BLs. When payment for goods is received, the exporter transfers the SmartBL to the importer with just a few clicks. Sounds too good to be true? It's actually even better. The inner workings of the blockchain are based on open standards and decentralized. Most importantly, they are verifiable by anyone at any time. For our users, this means the ultimate security, enterprise-level reliability, and peace of mind. Within hours of the ship leaving port, the importer receives the SmartBL and the transfer to the release agent can be made. Well ahead of its cargo, the SmartBL is already at its final destination, and the goods can be released as soon as the ship arrives. No delays, no surprises, no worries. CargoX, into the future, full speed ahead.